Actually, the escalation started yesterday morning when it's like a day before the end of the deadline that they have given to the government to actually to meet their demand, which actually based on announced an early election, one of the main demands, and also to put a new prime minister, which has been an issue politicized in a way that they didn't, all the political forces, they try to keep the post in somehow in their hand, or they try to find a prime minister that he is subjected to their wills, because if they find or if they present a prime minister, he is like outside of the political process and he is out of their control. That means two sides. One, first, it's they're gonna this prime minister will hold all these political parties and officials since 2003 hold responsible for corruption, because all of them are involved in corruption and also involved in the recent violence against protesters, which led also almost 500 people, and they will kick them out of the power. So for that reason, the political forces or political parties, they didn't want to listen to the demand of the protesters.